How,
Hi,
how are you doing? How is Bangalore?
I am good. Thank you. How are you? Bangalore is good.
I haven't
Definitely
seen you. I've been seeing you on social media, but we haven't really spoken to one another. I
true.
wanted to actually chat with you a little bit because you've been the catalyst in my writing journey.
Oh,
Back
wow.
in 2013, yes, you have. In 2013, I think it was that I joined BWW, and which is Bangalore Writers Workshop, and I want to know more about the name. And I never looked back because you were scathing in getting all the fluff and the basically decluttering my writing. I thought I was very verbose and floral in my style, and you certainly helped, and more than. And you have your name is on my book as well.
Thank you.
From,
That's really, really kind of you. Really, that's very nice of you to say that. And I'm glad you took it so positively.
it wasn't easy. I have to give you that. It
Yeah,
wasn't
I,
easy.
I,
Yeah.
I would imagine so. Yes, yes.
It was a big bruise on my ego for the longest time, but I also knew what you said was the truth. My writing needed cleaning up, major,
Right.
and I'm still at it. It's been 8 years. I'm still cleaning
Of
it up.
course. Yes, yes, yes.
Birth of Bangalore Writers Workshop, BWW. How did it come about?
So I started this with a partner who was at that time who had just moved to Bangalore from San Francisco. What had been happening is she was my junior from college, and once Facebook happened, we reconnected on Facebook, and we figured out that both of us were writing, so we started sharing each other's stories and giving each other feedback and all that sort of a thing. And when I went to San Francisco on work, we bonded, and there was this idea that someday if she ever came back to Bangalore and if I was also around at the same time, we should start something together. So that was always there. A year later, I think they moved to Bangalore, and we met up and we met up for coffee, and we were talking about what to do. And I was at a loose end because I had taken a sabbatical from work, um, and she had just landed, so she was also not sure what to do. And we were just at a coffee shop talking about the things we like doing, and we just decided to start. I mean, that's as simple as it is. Kind. That's always been my ambition. I started my career as a trainer, so I knew that someday I would be getting back to training and would be getting back to helping people with language, communication, that sort of a thing. I had never seen myself actively be a writing facilitator till BWW because writing was always something I did for fun and was joyous for me. It was not part of work. Um, as to the name, I'm not very imaginative with names, honestly. So we wanted to know, Bangalore was definitely something special because, this is the place that we were starting this at, and we both had a lot of love for the city. This it might in some way give back to the city or give back to the people. So there was that idea. And then what we were doing, it was writing workshops. So it's as straightforward as it can get. So it's
Hmm.
Bangalore Writing,
Hmm.
Bangalore Writers Workshop. That's
Yeah,
that's
if
the
it was
origin
anything
story.
else, Bangalore
But it really
works
works
well.
very well because it's great for SEO. So you know, yeah,
Yeah, it got, and we all know it. And it's been a while.
yes,
Now it's
it
about
has.
what, 8, 10 years?
It's going to be 10 years.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, of
2000.
course. The anniversary, the
Yes,
anthology that needs to come out.
exactly.
Right, right. That's interesting. So you never saw yourself as a facilitator of writing workshops, and yet one would imagine that you just got into it. Like a fish takes to water, as this.
No,
Very
like I said,
interesting.
I've been a trainer all my life, so I think
So
same
that
sort
bit
of
is
skills.
good.
And I
Yeah.
have, yes, and I have been, and I'm a student of English language and literature, so that definitely helps. Um, and then you put them all together, and then look at other people's writing. I think it has been easy for me. It's never been something that, yeah, I had to work on or struggle with or anything. It's quite
So are you
seamless.
you
I
are
feel
having
like
fun? You are having
Oh,
fun.
I am. I wouldn't continue if I weren't, honestly.
True.
Doesn't make sense. Yes.
Yeah, you don't seem the type of person who'd want to do anything half-heartedly or, just to earn money, because there isn't that money in writing. Talking of that,
Yes.
how has the pandemic worked for you vis-a-vis, because you're used to doing in-person workshops, and then you have this whole new world that has emerged via
True.
internet. We are, connected because we are on
True.
Zoom. How has that worked out for BWW?
When the pandemic happened, and then online has become so much a part of everybody's lives now. People are used to doing work on Zoom. They're used to being on Zoom for hours and things like that. I think it's really worked well in my favor. We've been moving offline classes to online was a pretty much seamless experience because I think the workshop is so robust now over the years. There is clearly a sense of we know exactly what we're doing, when we're doing, why we're doing it the way we're doing, all of that. So that's really clear, and it was very easy to transfer it onto an online forum. But I'm really grateful that people took to it really well as well, and
That's the
you
thing.
know
Yeah.
yeah, that's really been incredible because I haven't cut down on the time limit or anything for the classes, so we still sit for 3 hours, and
Wow.
it's great that people are able to sit for 3 hours just discussing, their writing. So it has worked well for me. I think another benefit that I didn't see forthcoming, but that really happened was the access that I now have to, writers from across the world. We had a writer from the UK join us. We had another writer from Australia. So that's
That's
been
really
great.
amazing. Yeah.
India. So that's really lovely in terms of diversity
I mean,
in the
I
class.
attended the workshop sitting in my study in Bangkok. So
Correct.
that wouldn't have appeared possible maybe a couple of years back. I wouldn't have
Absolutely.
imagined doing a BWW workshop sitting here.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
truly opened up the world. What I really wanted to know from you as to your own life as a writer, Bhumika the writer, where are you at?
Yeah, well, I do write because writing, I think, is a compulsion, and for most of us, right? If we've been writing long enough,
Absolutely.
we no longer write it because there's joy to be found necessarily, but you can't do without writing. That's why you write. So I do write, but in terms of writing projects, it is hard because all my waking life, I'm working as a facilitator, reading a lot of you know not so great work in progress. That's the sort of work that I keep reading. So it becomes a bit fatiguing to again engage in writing as an activity for myself. Um, so in terms, remember, I had met Mrs. Shashi Deshpande, and we told her that we had this long chat about writing and all of that, and then she told me that, do you want to write? And I said, yes, of course I want to write. And she said, oh, and you want to open a writing workshop? And I said, yeah, I do. And she said, that's not going to happen. You know that, right? And I thought, oh, come on, that's so not cool. It's so pessimistic. And how can you say that? But it is true. Now in hindsight, I think back and I think like, yeah, she was really wise. And yes, so it is true. I mean, when you're working with a lot of writers, then your writing tends to take a backseat. And
Yeah.
yes,
BWW continues to shine, so there is no need as such to have other BWWs in different parts of India. But did you ever think about
yeah. No, I never did. My expansion plan was something online. It's just that COVID made it really happen very quickly, and
Yeah,
also it made it a seamless experience. So in that sense, I think I should be grateful for something like COVID. But no, I didn't really have an expansion plan. As taking accessible to people from outside of Bangalore is definitely a bonus, and I'm really glad that that's happening.
that
Because
is
life is really all about community. It's not just about the 8 weeks that you spend doing the workshop with us. It's also about what you bring to the table in terms of discussions later, and how open you are to reading other people's work and things like that. So for me, it's really important that it's not about hitting numbers necessarily. It's about the quality of the experience. Passionate about reading, who are good, kind people who like helping others, and who see writing and reading as, maybe they don't see it right from the outset, but once they're in the community, I hope they see it as more of a communal experience, because I know you know this really well, but for most of us, when we write a story, it's not just immediately ready for publishing and things like that. We do get feedback from people we trust. We do have people who we depend on for feedback, and based on that, we change things. So I want to have people who really believe in this idea, working together.
I
So I'm
you're a
happy
very
with the scale.
yeah.
Yeah,
So even the WhatsApp group that you have with BWW, it becomes very clear that you are building a community, and everybody is kind. There's a lot of back and forth with the various ideas, articles that we think are important. There's humor, and it really, I feel that it's a community. People, creative people, um, who get it. This is not just about ticking boxes. I've been published there, I've been published here, but really about the humanity of it. And I think you're doing a
yeah.
fine job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's really been very important to me. So I'm so happy to hear that. That's
No, I'll give you
people
that
that.
community that I feel I belong. I never feel like, oh my God,
Yeah,
I should have known that. Damn, I'm so old. I should have never, ever. And that
yes,
I would give you credit for. The way you handle the group, you come in with your little quips and your humor, and you push back when you feel it's not appropriate, which is very rare. You do push back. So you're kind
yes.
of beautifully balancing it, and then you join in the fun and all of that. It's not like you're sitting aside and looking after this group. You're very much a part of it, and I think that's what makes BWW really special.
When you are in the thrive and
You in the community enable that sort of a space, right? I mean, I can try to create a safe space, but if I don't have people who are willing to participate in
So
that
it
way,
is a
then
two-way street.
yeah,
You are
it is
drawing
definitely a two-way street.
people,
Yes,
yeah, absolutely. And those
yeah,
stay. I've seen people leave. It is those who stay, who belong to, who are able to gel with that kind of, feel, that sentiment that runs through the community. And
yes,
that's amazing. I really love being part of BWW. Uh, Along the years, over the years, and WhatsApp has come in what, 4 5 years back. So that was a
yes,
great see the future for Bhumika herself, because right now, you get tired, you're running, and you will continue to, and you may have many more courses to run. But and you're very young, so you do have a future as a writer. But do you have ideas that you want to share? Some things you want to write about or have written about? You know, how do you feel about, how do you see the future if you see it at all?
I actually don't. I mean, and especially I think the past 1 year, if there's anything that COVID has taught us, it's to live in the present and to really,
Yes.
really cherish the moments that we have now and right now. So, and I have spent the better part of this year on my own personal journey trying to imbibe that spirit and trying to live that spirit in my own life. So, honestly, I've given up thinking about what I need to do 5 years from now, what I need to do whenever. I'm not
That
thinking
is,
of that at all. And yeah, and it has been great. I mean, I'm really definitely a happier person and I'm less anxious.
I
So
wanted to
that's,
ask you that. Do you have
yeah,
folk who do for you what you do for the BWW community? Do you have people like that?
yeah,
You know?
I do. So he's doing that now. And so there is a writing project in the works. But again, we are taking it slow and I don't have this goal that I need to be published by this date or I need to do this or even necessarily that I need to publish it. But I am keen on telling this story. I like this story. And I'm enjoying. But like I said, it's for me at this point in time, it's really about having fun, enjoying myself, not being stressed. Not giving into the fear of what next and how do I cope with things and all of that sort of drama that I think all of us have been living through this 1 year.
You're doing that. That's a beautiful message, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah. And when the
yeah.
chips are down, the
I
chips.
think having the spirit of enjoyment has been really wonderful for me. Like I'm in a happier frame of mind than when we started this year. And it's been incredible because when I think about it, I think a lot of it has been because there has been so much loss and pain and trauma that I'm happy. That's my
The
goal.
work on the anthology goes on, right?
The work is going on.
The
Yes.
10-year period.
Yes. Yes. I haven't received enough submissions yet, but people are writing. And again, even for the writing, I think a lot of people are telling me that, look, I have this brilliant idea, but I'm dealing with so much right now, I can't. So,
Commemorate. I mean, 10 years is not a period you can ignore. It's a fairly
true,
large period
right?
of time. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
BWW 10 years commemorative anthology. It sounds wonderful.
BWW for life,
Yeah,
right? I mean, it's like Hotel California. That's what
totally.
it is.
Totally. In fact, I was thinking of composing a song for BWW, and I might
You
just,
should.
yeah, I would like
You
to.
should.
I'd like to get in some Kannada in it also because it's Bangalore, some Hindi, some English, and make it a mishmash. Because in BWW you have
Absolutely.
people from all over India.
All right. People from all over the place live here and thrive. So we should celebrate that.
Absolutely, the diversity
Please do
that is
this.
Bangalore. You're looking well, and it's been lovely chatting with you, Bhumika. Thank you for taking
Thank
time
you.
out. It hasn't been easy, this. We've tried many times,
Yes.
but we've managed. So you take
Yes.
care, and
Thank
I'll
you so
share
much for
this.
having me, Kate.
You're a
It's been so
super
nice.
woman. You're an inspiration, and I want to have women like you on my, my YouTube channel, and just show you off to the world that I know you well and you know me well, and it's nice knowing girls like
Yes.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
You're
much. Thank you
welcome.
so much for everything you do in the community and how you keep writing all the time and sharing your work. It's amazing. I've
If
got more
not
people like
writing,
you.
what else, Bhumika? If not writing, what else?
Correct.
Exactly.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a great evening. Bye,
You
darling.
too. Bye.
Bye.